Good morning, everybody. It's me, Sujit Khan, the first Black Diamond Ambassador of Indus Viva. I hope you all are safe in home. There is nothing more important to talk about now than how to build your business during these uncertain times. Millions of people around the world has filed unemployment in the last 4 weeks. Economy is falling everywhere, but one industry is growing like anything, that is called network marketing industry. My dear friends, we are truly blessed people. We are into wellness and the network marketing industry. Business is changing, world is changing, world is going like in a different mode. My situation, March 27th closing, my business volume per week 8.5 lakh PV. Still I remember March 27th closing, total volume my organization 8.5 lakh PV. After lockdown, business is completely down. Then I am also thinking how to bring back my business. Then I just discussed with my mentor, our CEO, Advocate Abhilash Thomas. He told me, Suji, before lockdown, you just imagine your business is growing like anything. But after lockdown, the entire world is completely down. Then you think in a different way. He said 3 things: adjust, adapt, and accelerate. I adjust my situation and I realize the situation. Market is completely down. Some people are thinking, still thinking, maybe next month is completely is changed, and June or July or August month, everything is perfect. After that, we can build our business. No, my dear friends, this is the situation. Adjust the situation and adapt. He suggests me, Suji, your business is in a different mode. World is completely changing in a virtual world. Everybody is conducting Zoom meeting and online prospecting and all the things. And I just adapted my business. I conducted a virtual meeting, webinars and Facebook approach, prospecting and all the things. I completely changed and adapted. Now onwards, I am accelerating my business. I am very happy. Even the lockdown situation also, we are earning 3 lakh rupees in a week. That is called accelerate my business. World is completely changed. Now onwards, no border, no limitation, nothing. You can build your business across India and across the world. There is no borderline, my dear friends. That is the advantage of the virtual world. Some people are forget their dreams. Why you are come to this business? Why you are come to Viva business? You have a big dreams, I know. The lockdown situation, the problems, the market situation, don't forget your dreams. Think about your dreams, my dear friends. You are watching my webinar. After you watch and write a very strong dream today onwards, my suggestion, anything happens in your life like this, any lockdown, any problem, any situation. Suppose you are sitting in your home next 1 year, don't concern about the money. You work, you finish your weekly 2.5 lakh. Anything happen in market, but every week you are getting 2.5 lakh rupees. That is the first dream, my dear friends. Take a note, write it down, your first dream. Week after week, every week you are getting weekly 2.5 lakh. Then what is the problem? You are sitting in home, no issues. Maybe next month or 1 year, not a problems. So think about your dream. Don't forget your dreams. Everybody come back to your business, come back to your basics and start your business and accelerate your business. So you just imagine some people are getting, still the lockdown period also, so many people are earning 2.5 lakh rupees. All good leaders are earning 2.5 lakh rupees. Still this period also. How? Everybody is building Viva business. Everybody is selling Viva products. Everybody is following Vibrant Viva system, but some leaders are getting different income, huge income. How? Some people always focus on people, PV and profit, three things. Always they are focused people. After that they will get a PV and profit. The great leaders focus on purpose, passion and profit. Normal people, you just imagine, people always focus about the PV. Next week how much I can earn, 10,000 or 20,000 or 30,000, that is the focus. But the great leaders, you just imagine, they are focused purpose and passion and profit. When I started my business in 2014, the first week onwards, I am not focused in a PV. I am not focusing achievement. I am focusing my purpose. You know my purpose. I already announced my purpose in the day one onwards. I want to create 100 diamonds in my organization. That is my purpose. I already created 20 diamonds in my organization. Now still I am focusing with full passion. Every day I am focusing. That is my purpose. So my purpose is creating 100 diamonds. Then I am very passionate. I am not waiting for any calls from my mentors, my upline leaders. Wake up early in the morning. I am focused. I know what I want in my life. I'm working with Viva, full passion. That's why I'm getting the profit. Even the lockdown period also, you just imagine. Some leaders are earning huge money means they have a purpose. They are working in a full passion. Then easily will get the profit. Even any situation, any problem will come, 2.5 lakh rupees is coming. And normal and average people are always focused people, PV and profit. The extraordinary leaders are focused purpose, passion and profit. My dear friends, my suggestion, you also focus your purpose. Wake up early in the morning with purpose and very passionate with it. Then I will tell you guys, you will get any situation 2.5 lakh rupees. Now you just imagine, you can build business, enter the world. Now people are realize and understand the product importance. Even the lockdown period also, some people are showing our Ayurveda product in US market. Now you just imagine your future is different. Don't think our old style business. Guys, you know one thing. In network marketing means people are thinking a good speaker, any stage performer can earn huge money. But now our situation is different. We are in a digital world. Newcomers, new generation people, just 20 age or 21 age people, updated, adapted, and that people are earn huge income coming years because the world completely shifted, the completely changing. People are adapted the business and people can earn. Now onwards, no border, my dear friends, no limitation. You have only one limit, sky is the limit. Otherwise, you can build your business in US market, Nepal, India, anywhere. Just imagine our 500 week celebration or 10th year celebration. Some people, a new generation people going to earn 1 crore rupees in a month. Completely change your attitude. Don't wait for anybody. And don't wait when the lockdown is completely clear. After that, I am going to start my business. Don't think like that. Completely change your mindset and start your business today onwards. And you come to the Digital Viva, simply sitting in your home and take a small space and wear the suit and buy a laptop and conduct a small meetings, all the meetings, one-on-one presentation, a group meeting, a VOP, video, and all the basics you start every day. Some leaders are showing the presentation every day because company is conducting different program in a day. Different program. Now people are watching the program, but I am asking you, my dear friends, every day you are going to conduct a small program, a very productive person, then only you can earn the money. Now all the world, the entire world understand and realize the network marketing possibilities. Because traditional business employment is completely collapsed. People are not getting the huge money. But here, a normal people are earning monthly 10 lakhs and 12 lakhs. Now the world is understand the network marketing potential. 100% I am telling you, people come to your business, but you are a very productive man, then only come to your organization. Start your business today onwards. The basics, the fundamental basics, the one-on-one tasting party, breakfast meeting, video, programs, all the things, and plan for your 2.5 lakh rupees before this new year, because we have only 7 months. Some people are thinking still everything is going to clear maybe next month or after 2 months. No, my dear friends. Till December, you can expect the situation. Only one solution, think in a different way. Smart thinking is very important. Adjust, adapt, and accelerate your business. Before New Year, you are also earning 2.5 lakh rupees. That is very important. Don't forget your dreams. Follow your dreams, my dear friends. And think in a big way, because now onwards, you are not a small networker. You are going to be a international networker, because our company already started in US market. You just imagine after 1 year, you are getting some business from US, in Nepal, in different country. Your style is completely different, my dear friends. You are simply sitting in home. You are going to conduct a Zoom meeting. Different countries, people are attending your Zoom meeting. You just imagine, what is your position? What is your position? Some people are thinking, when everything is clear, market is open, then I am going to my business full-fledged. No, my dear friends. Start your business today onwards and build your empire worldwide. Learn something every day in your life, my dear friends, and implement your business, and you are going to finish your success before December 31st. I strongly recommend everybody is going to achieve 2.5 lakh rupees. And you just think after 1 year, after 2 years, any situation will come. Money is not a problem. So my dear friends, final my suggestion, no border, no limits. We are a monopoly business people, because network marketing is the only option people can earn huge money. Guys, once again, it's me, your Sujit Khan, Black Diamond Ambassador of Indus Viva, signing off.